Hello guys, this is HalloweenSwain and this is the exercise number 3. Now this exercise also for the beginner. As you can see, this is a pretty simple block. Now we are going to use a Loft command for this operation, and that is why I have keep it as a simple one. So over here there is a PDF. If you want, you can just make a screenshot, or you can do by your own and then check a video. So we are going to start the video as you can see, this is pretty simple one. And for the design, we are going to start with the top view. So creating the new one. This one's good. Now we are going to use a square. Now as we can see, the dimension is 100 by 70, and that is we are going to use a line command here. Now second thing we are going to do is another line command over here. Perfect. So the dimension for this one is 25, and dimension between these two lines is a 50. There we go. Now we are going to trim it out, these two lines. Perfect. Okay, just go inside this two. Perfect. So we are gonna make this 100. So we got the entire part here. Now simply we are just gonna do is the extrude command. As we can see, the base over here, which is 20, so we are gonna use the extrude and the 20 downwards. Perfect. Now as we can see in the drawing, we need our 30 plus on the top as well, and then we are going to do the side one as well. So now we are going to use the second one, which is on that side, and I'm just simply rotate it, and as you can see here, we are going to make that a square and that triangle. Simple square and join here. Perfect. As you can see, the dimension, this one should be 50, and this one is a 30. This one is done too, and now we are going to extrude this too, and the distance is 25. Here we go. Now the third one is on this side, so we are going to sketch over here. Perfect. Now over here, the only thing we are going to do is connect two lines, and that's it. And we are going to again extrude, and we extrude up to here. So as you can see, our model is almost ready. Now for this, in order to fill that gap, we are going to use a Loft command. So for that, we are going to use a two profile. One is this one, and second is this one, and our command is ready. It's going to be joined automatically, and that's it. So as we can see, our command is ready. Our part is ready. So this is a pretty simple one, but we use the Loft command for this one, and that's it. So thank you so much, and if you like this video, just subscribe it, share it, and if you have any suggestion, just put a comment down, and see you in the exercise number 4.